Good afternoon, all. I'm still working Judith Elochukwu, the Igbo teacher. Today we are to learn Igbo alphabets. In Igbo, Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. We all know that every language have their own alphabet, which helps them to speak and to write that particular language. Today we are looking at Igbo alphabet, which help Igbo people to start writing their Igbo using the Igbo alphabet. Let's see to it. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Igbo alphabet. Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. Iri atọ na isii. Let's see them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, H, W, H, E, A, G, K, B, W, L, M, N, N, W, Nye, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z, Z. These are Igbo alphabets. Looking at the pronunciation, the learner has to be looking at my mouth to see the movement of my mouth when pronouncing these alphabets. Thank you.